Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the Elgato hardware so recording and streaming are stable. Plug HDMI from your console or camera into the Elgato input and USB-C to your PC. This creates a direct capture path. Once done, install the latest Elgato game capture or drivers so your system recognizes the device and avoids dropped frames. Make sure your console output is set to the correct resolution and frame rate. That alignment prevents scaling and stuttering later. You now configure streaming software to make the Elgato feed reliable. In OBS, add the Elgato as a video capture device and choose the highest compatible resolution. Match your base canvas and FPS so scaling is clean. Next, pick an encoder, hardware for lower CPU or software for quality, and set bitrate based on upload speed. Then route audio. Enable Elgato's audio in OBS, add your mic, and monitor levels so the mix sounds balanced when you go live. You finish by validating the full stream pipeline before going live. Do a short test recording and a private stream for 5 to 10 minutes. Check for dropped frames, audio-video sync, and bitrate consistency so viewers get smooth playback. If issues appear, first restart the Elgato and OBS, then try a different USB port or cable. If problems persist, reduce capture resolution or FPS to lower load. A single troubleshooting tip. Rebooting devices often clears device handshake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.